I'm just going to show you how I would draw a simple bouquet of whimsical flowers. So I'll do a sideways 8 to give me a bow. These ribbony bits hanging down. And I'll start with 4 stems. And then I make my flowers up based on real life ones. So here's kind of, I guess, a rose style. One that goes upward, I guess, like a tulip. And then one that's a bit random like this. One like this. And then I just have some floaty bits like that. Kind of gives it's very, very simple just to show what can be built. Not on top of that, but this is kind of just doodling. So that's how I would do this kind of simple bouquet of whimsical flowers.